Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the 13th elf on the Bloxburg Elf Hunt. So for this one, you'll need the gingerbread latte. And my friend here is going to show you where to find the 13th elf. Is this the 13th or the 12th? I think this is the 13th. It's in City Hall, so it's not that far from the place where you buy the gingerbread latte. It's like in a planter somewhere. So here we go. Okay, so it's on this, it's in this planter, and you're just going to give it, and you'll get 2,000 money, and that is how you can find the 13th elf on the Bloxburg Elf Hunt. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well.